All right, so this question is simply asking for the value of x, determine whether it is a solution to 1 minus 7x equals 71. So what you're going to do is you're going to be looking at this equation and you're going to say, do these values in here, when I input it into this equation, does it equal 71? And there's actually a couple ways to do this, and I'm going to show you the most common way people do it. And sort of the faster way of doing it. Some people know how to solve for a variable really well, so this works for them. But if you don't, I would just say take your time and do it the way that works best for you. So what you're going to do, essentially, for the way that most people do this question, they do 1 minus 7 times x equals 71. So these are all your values of x, and you're going to input this into your equation, right? So you're going to have 7 times 7 equals 49. Ooh, almost embarrassed myself there, almost forgot. So 1 minus 49 equals 71. Is that correct? No, it's not. Okay, so you would essentially go until you found the correct answer. Okay, so you would go in and you would say, okay, well, negative 7 times negative 8 is positive 56, and you would just go in and just do everyone until you got it. Some people, that works for them really quickly. I, for one, don't do it that way, so I'm going to show you how to do it a second way. So if I have 1 minus 7x equals 71, I can just go in and solve for what x equals and then see if that exists as an option over here. So how it works is you're going to solve for x. So if I have 1 over here that's positive, I'm going to move it to the other side, but to do so it needs to be negative. So that leaves me with negative 7x equals 70. Okay, so after that I'm still need to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by negative 7 on both sides, and that leaves me with x equals negative 10. Okay, now that is an answer right here. So I'm going to put yes for this one and no for all the other ones, because there are no other values that x equals besides negative 10. Now, you won't always have an answer. Sometimes there always will be no. That happens. So you need to be confident in your abilities, that you're doing the right thing and that you're answering the question correctly. If you're doing that, you should have no problems. So if you need any more help with this, or just want to see another example, or just want to have some help working through it, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. So good luck, guys. Let me know if you need anything.